This is a short video to show you how to install your new Safety First mini GPS tracker. As you can see, it's extremely small. The good thing about this device is that you can hide it anywhere. The schools do not know that you have it, because I know the schools don't allow watches anymore. And it's got the phone function also, so you can call into this device if you know the SIM card number, just like a normal phone. It's got an SOS button right here, so you can press this, whoever is using the device can press this button for 3 seconds, and in the app, whatever number is registered as the SOS number, it will call it. And you can also call this device and the person can answer it like a phone. Now you can charge it over here, charge it for 4 hours for the first time, and put in the SIM card over here. Now I'll just show you how to put in the SIM card. Also, the battery life of this device is minimum 3 days, which is really cool. Unlike a watch that you have to charge it every day. So, I'm using one hand. Insert the SIM card in like that, click it in, and you're good to go. So let me just do that quickly. Heard the click. I'm good to go. Press for 3 seconds. Switches on. Simple as that. Now, on the Play Store, go to SE Tracker and install the app. Don't worry about the language the first time. Once you register it, it will change to the language that you want it to be. So English, for example. So you go ahead and open. Go to register. All right, let me go out again. Sign out, register. And you can scan the QR code, which is in the back here, put in your email, your nickname, your password, and do OK. Now I have registered it already, so I will just sign in. And that's the app right there. So that's exactly where I am. And you can go to settings and do all the parameters, the number, the primary person's number, how often you want to track it, the SMS alerts to the number every time there's a problem, that the SMS gets sent to that particular number, so that's the primary user. The phone book, you can register up to 10 phone numbers, the language and time zone, so for South Africa it's +2, and do OK for set local base, and that's if you want to shut down the device, because you can only shut down the device, meaning the tracker, from your app. Nobody else can shut it down. That's for security reasons, right? Because you don't want somebody to shut it down. Now go over here. And that's you can add more devices to it. You can just add a device. You can track many devices just from one app. Modify password and the SMSs. So let me see what kind of messages did I receive. Just that it was needed charging. Simple as that. Then you can go to locate. That's when you want to locate the device to refresh it. The history, from the time that you want to track it to the time now, and it shows you exactly where the device went, and the geofence and the personal information. So as simple as that, and you're good to go. And if you have any issues, you can email Safety First Watch, so that's FASAFETY first FIRST watch@gmail.com, and you can get support from there. Okay, so hope you enjoy your device and keep whatever you want safe at all times. And yes, enjoy.